If I were to talk to somebody who's thinking about partnering with Truve, I would tell them that their solution is better than anyone else's that I've come across. They have better access to data, they have a higher hit rate, and their visions align with ours as far as simplifying the experience and boosting that overall satisfaction of members.
Truve stands out in the marketplace because they are delivering a service to us that we can't really get too many other places, but probably more importantly, it's combined with the people that we work with there, the openness to do new ideas. Certainly we've worked with a lot of other vendors and startups. It's rare in my mind to have that combination to give us the right things we need at the right time. Truve was always willing to kind of step in if we were short in one area, whether that be even our reporting capabilities. Truve was willing to step in and assist us as we executed the program.
If you care about user experience, you should pick Truve. But I'd also say that if you're trying to pick a partner that's going to be ambitious and is going to create new products and is going to listen to feedback from you and try to actually adapt to your business's needs, that's also Truve. I'm very excited about the partnership with Truve.
Biggest metrics in evaluating the Truve solution was this provided us a one-stop shopping for our solution. There are literally dozens and dozens of other solutions out there, but it never provided us the proof of income and verification of employment that Truve does for us. This gave us both solutions in one product. Their tech and their engineering and their customer support is second to none. It was consistent, it's compliant, and it's fast. So I would gladly tell all of our lending partners, and in fact I do, that Truve is a great solution for the verification of employment and proof of income that they need.
I've been making a couple different referrals for Truve for several reasons. One, I like working with young companies. I've been a serial entrepreneur myself. I've always appreciated and actually found some of my best relationships via recommendation. The second is, I kind of feel that Truve gets it. And I'm excited about what solutions you're developing for kind of fintech. And I'm happy to contribute in any way I can.
Regardless of what country you're in, what segment of customers you are, financial services are a key enabler to having a better life. Whether you're selling fruit on the corner and you're in a country where borrowing $50 helps you improve your supply and your distribution and make more money, or if you're a large business and you need to borrow $5 million. Either way, the ability to streamline that process, to know who people are, is really what Truve and other companies who work in this area are really trying to achieve.
The future of financial services is digital. We need to be able to provide better experiences, faster experiences for the benefit of our members and people who interact with us.
Right now we're experiencing some headwinds, some tightness in the market, but we have optimistic hope. We think the refinance market is untapped. We think it's going to grow exponentially in the years to come because most consumers don't realize you can refinance your auto loan like you can a mortgage. So we think next year and in the years to come, there's a lot of opportunity for refinancing in the auto world.
I actually see it as a disruption to the traditional credit score model. One of the things that we've been finding at Luther Sales is that while credit score is an indicator, there's no doubt that it is, alternate data points need to be factored into making that decision. If we were to just go off of credit score, we'd probably not approve most of our current customers. As it relates to subprime, I think almost putting more choices in their hands, which right now they have very limited and candidly not so great options. Expanding that so that they have the options that's best suited for them is something I think we'll see more and more of, and I think Truve will play an integral role in that.
The future of background screening is completely instant. In my mind, you should just be able to look at your device and you're instantly verified, both your identity, your education, your employment. For a person taking that process, it's painless. It creates speed, it creates opportunity for the folks who are leveraging our services. We hope to provide a risk mitigation tool for them that they can also quickly and easily identify risk and what steps they want to take forward. So I'm very excited about the future.
The future of financial services is very personalized. People owning their own data and really feeling like they're empowered with their own data. I think that We're seeing more and more personalization and people just coming to expect for companies to really understand their needs and to be able to speak to those needs and have solutions for them, and not just a one-size-fits-all approach that a lot of financial services, I think, has been in the past. We're coming to a place where there is more and more data access, there's different forms of data, there's alternative data out there that we can actually start to paint a very holistic picture of a person's situation and their specific needs. And I think the future of finance is really catering to those needs on a very individual level.
I'm really optimistic. I believe that with the ability of big data, machine learning, that's going to lead to tremendous innovation and capabilities that are going to make everybody's lives easier and better. What FinTech is all about is really, we're on a mission to make society better off in the long run.